Hello kids, let's learn simple sentences. Read the sentence. Which pictures match the sentence? The ball is pink. She can ride a bike. It is time for lunch. The sun is very hot. The pig has a book. Rex is playing a drum. She can clap her hands. The bus is red and blue. The clock is in an egg. The frog is in the lake. Do you see the shell? She is going up the stairs. The girl will not get wet. The man feels sad. Dad made a cake. Great work, kids. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.